Hello everyone and welcome back to UFO Evidence, your home for exploring the universe's greatest mysteries. Today we're diving into a topic that has captivated humanity for decades. Is advanced alien technology already here on Earth? Forget what you've seen in the movies. We're talking about real-world evidence, baffling artifacts, and scientific anomalies that just don't seem to fit our current understanding of history and physics. So, grab your tinfoil hats. Just kidding. And let's get started on this incredible journey. First up, let's talk about ancient artifacts that seem impossibly advanced for their time. You've probably heard of the Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek analog computer discovered in a shipwreck. This device, over 2,000 years old, could predict astronomical positions and eclipses with a complexity that wasn't seen again for another 1,000 years. How did they develop such intricate gear systems? While mainstream archaeology attributes it to human ingenuity, the sheer leap in technology is staggering. Could it be a case of reverse engineering a piece of forgotten or perhaps gifted technology? Then we have the famous Baghdad battery, a set of terracotta pots containing a copper cylinder and an iron rod, found in modern-day Iraq and dating back to around 250 BC. When filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar, it can generate a small electrical current. For what purpose? Some suggest electroplating gold onto silver, but electricity wasn't officially discovered until the 1800s. It raises the question, was this an isolated invention, a lucky accident, or a remnant of a far greater understanding of energy, possibly one that originated off-world? These artifacts challenge our linear view of technological progress and open the door to some very intriguing possibilities. Moving from the ancient world to the modern era, the conversation shifts to UFOs, or as they are now officially termed, unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs. The 2017 release of declassified videos from the Pentagon, like the Tic Tac and gimbal footage, changed everything. These videos show objects performing maneuvers that defy our known laws of physics: instantaneous acceleration, hypersonic speeds without any visible means of propulsion, and transmedium travel, moving seamlessly from air to water. Top Gun pilots, highly trained observers, have described these objects as having no wings, no rotors, no hot exhaust plumes. The technology on display is so far beyond our current capabilities that even defense officials are baffled. Luis Elizondo, the former head of the Pentagon's UAP program, has stated that these craft exhibit characteristics that we can't replicate. Are we witnessing crafts from another civilization? If so, the technology they possess, perhaps related to gravity manipulation or warp drives, could revolutionize everything we know about energy and travel. The materials themselves are another huge piece of the puzzle. There are credible reports and alleged samples of so-called metamaterials recovered from crash sites, most famously the alleged Roswell incident in 1947. Witnesses described a material that was incredibly lightweight yet indestructible, able to be crumpled up, but would immediately return to its original shape without a single crease. Think of it like memory foam, but for metal, and on a whole other level. More recently, investigative journalist George Knapp and others have brought forward stories about companies like Bigelow Aerospace allegedly studying such materials. If a material exists that is stronger, lighter, and possesses unique properties unlike anything on our periodic table, it would be the holy grail of engineering. Its existence would strongly suggest a non-human origin, as its atomic structure would likely be something we couldn't create. The implications for aerospace, defense, and consumer technology would be unimaginable, so let's connect the dots. We have ancient artifacts showing knowledge far ahead of their time. We have modern UAP encounters with craft that defy physics, and we have whispers and reports of strange, otherworldly materials. Could it all be linked? Is it possible that humanity has been visited perhaps for millennia, and that glimpses of this superior technology have seeped into our world? Some theories suggest that major technological leaps in recent history, like the invention of the microchip, fiber optics, or stealth technology, were not just moments of human brilliance, but were spurred on by the reverse engineering of recovered alien technology. Colonel Philip J. Corso, in his book, The Day After Roswell, made this very claim, stating he was responsible for seeding pieces of alien tech from the Roswell crash to various private industries to jumpstart their research and development. While claims like Corso's are controversial and difficult to prove, they provide a fascinating framework. Think about the sudden and rapid acceleration of technology in the mid-20th century. It's an exponential curve that is almost vertical. Was this just the natural progression of science, or did we get a little push? If we are, in fact, studying alien tech, it would likely be the most closely guarded secret on the planet. The secrecy itself is a clue. Why the decades of denial and ridicule surrounding UFOs, only to have governments now cautiously admitting that yes, there is something real in our skies that we don't understand? Perhaps the truth is so profound, so paradigm-shifting, that they believe we aren't ready for it. The revelation that we are not alone, and that we are technologically primitive by comparison, would change our society, religions, and our sense of place in the cosmos forever. Or maybe the technology is just too dangerous. Imagine a power source capable of interstellar travel falling into the wrong hands. The implications for warfare are terrifying. Keeping it secret might be seen as a necessary evil to maintain global stability. But whatever the reason, the slow drip of disclosure we are seeing now suggests that the truth can't be contained forever. The evidence, whether it's an ancient battery, a declassified video, or a rumored piece of metamaterial, continues to mount. So what do you think? Are these just a series of unrelated coincidences and misinterpretations, or are they breadcrumbs leading to the incredible truth that alien technology is, and has been, on Earth? The answer might not be simple, but the quest for it is one of the most exciting intellectual adventures of our time. We will keep digging, questioning, and exploring every piece of evidence we can find. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive today. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What piece of evidence do you find most compelling? Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to UFO Evidence for more explorations into the unknown. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and never stop questioning.